Meet Walter. Walter works 45 hours a week, exchanges his energy for paper, and takes home exactly $4,800 every single month. On paper, Walter is doing everything right. He has a stable job, a reliable salary, and a retirement match. But Walter is trapped in the modern economic hamster wheel. Because after rent, car payments, food, and student loans, Walter's bank balance resets to zero at the end of every month. Walter believes that the only way to escape this wheel is to get a massive promotion, find a six-figure side hustle, or win the lottery. He thinks wealth requires massive sums of capital that he simply does not have. But today, we are going to prove that Walter is falling for the ultimate financial illusion. Meet Penny. Penny doesn't have a high-paying side hustle, but she has a secret weapon: radical consistency. Every single week, Penny takes exactly $25, the price of a single lunch delivery, and puts it to work. Most people would laugh at Penny. They'll tell her that $25 a week is pocket change. They'll say she'll never build real wealth with $25, but those people are mathematically illiterate. By the end of this video, we are going to prove to you with audited historical market models how Penny's $25 a week will grow to completely surpass Walter's full-time job. We will show you how she will build a passive salary of $4,800 every single month, using money that Walter spends on streaming subscriptions and takeout. And we are going to show you the exact ultra-low-fee brokerage account she uses to make it happen without ever leaving her couch. Welcome to the $25 New Rules portfolio. Let's run the real math. To make $25 a week work, Penny cannot use traditional mutual funds or retail advisors. As we proved in our last video, those legacy systems are infested with vampire fees, 2% asset management charges that quietly eat away 30% of your retirement wealth in broad daylight. If Penny paid a standard financial advisor fee, her small weekly contributions would be eaten alive before they could compound. So Penny bypasses the middlemen entirely. She goes directly to Fidelity and buys a very specific index fund, FXAIX, the Fidelity 500 Index Fund. FXAIX is not a normal mutual fund. It is an index fund that tracks the S&P 500, the 500 largest, most profitable companies in America. When Penny buys FXAIX, she instantly owns a tiny slice of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Tesla. But the real superpower of FXAIX is its expense ratio. It is exactly 0.015%. Let's put that into perspective. For every $10,000 Penny has invested, Fidelity charges her exactly $1.50 a year. It is virtually free. We call this fund the Zero Friction Launcher. By choosing a fund with practically zero fees, Penny ensures that 99.9% of her money stays in her account, working for her, instead of funding a Wall Street broker's yacht. But how does a tiny $25 weekly contribution turn into a full-time salary? To understand the transformation, we have to look at the three distinct phases of the compounding curve. Every rookie investor quits during the first 10 years because of what behavioral psychologists call the valley of disappointment. Let's look at Penny's numbers in year 10. She has diligently invested $25 every single week. Over 10 years, she has contributed exactly $13,000 of her own money. At a historical average stock market return of 10% per year, Penny's portfolio is now worth $21,121.21. Penny looks at her account balance of $21,000 after 10 long years, and her brain starts to play tricks on her. Her brain whispers, "You've been doing this for an entire decade. You only made $8,000 in interest. That's less than $1,000 a year. This index fund stuff is too slow. You should have spent that money on vacations or bought cryptocurrency." This is the exact moment where 90% of retail investors quit. They sell their funds, buy a depreciating asset, and return to the paycheck hamster wheel. But Penny doesn't quit, because Penny knows the math behind the compounding catalyst. She knows that in the early years of investing, your contributions do the heavy lifting, but in the later years, the interest does all the work. Let's fast forward to year 30. Penny has now been investing $25 a week for 3 decades. Her out-of-pocket contributions total $39,000. But look at her portfolio balance. At 10% annual return, her Fidelity Index Fund has ballooned to $199,818. Her $8,000 of interest in year 10 has exploded into over $160,000 of pure, unearned capital gains. But the real magic happens over the next 10 years. This is the 4th decade, where compound interest transforms from a slow snowball into an absolute avalanche. Let's advance the clock to year 39, month 3. Penny has now been investing her pocket change for 39 years. Her total out-of-pocket contributions are just $49,725. But her Fidelity portfolio has reached an astonishing $578,236. Let's look at what happens in this exact month. In year 39, month 3, Penny's portfolio earns exactly 10% per year. When you divide that annual return by 12 months, her $578,000 portfolio generates exactly $4,818 in passive capital growth in that single month. Let that sink in. In one single month, Penny's money earned more passive growth than working Walter earned by working 45 hours a week at his full-time job. Walter had to exchange 180 hours of physical labor to earn his $4,800. Penny had to do absolutely nothing. Her money worked for her 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, while she slept, traveled, and lived her life. And the most shocking part? Penny only contributed $49,000 of her own money over her entire life. Compounding interest did 91% of the heavy lifting, delivering over $500,000 of free wealth straight to her pocket. This is the ultimate low-effort, high-reward blueprint. Now, some of you are watching this and thinking, 39 years is too long to wait. I want to escape my job now, not when I'm 60. Under the legacy rules of finance, you had to wait. But in 2026, the rules have changed. We can radically accelerate this timeline using a simple psychological hack called the leverage multiplier. If Penny starts with $25 a week, but pledges to increase her weekly contribution by just 5% each year as her salary increases, she changes the game completely. Increasing $25 by 5% means in year 2, she invests $26.25. In year 3, she invests $27.56. It is a change so microscopic she won't even notice it. But by adding this simple 5% escalator, Penny cuts her retirement timeline down from 39 years to just 26 years. She shaves over a decade off her working career by automating a microscopic annual increase. The algorithm of wealth is incredibly simple. Open a direct Fidelity account. Automate $25 a week into FXAIX. Turn on automatic dividend reinvestment and let time do the rest. Wealth is not built by chasing volatile crypto trends, buying lottery tickets, or working yourself to death at a job you hate. Wealth is built by the quiet, disciplined, automated choices you make with your pocket change. If you can afford $25 a week, you have no excuse. You have the exact same tools that Wall Street billionaires use to compound their empires. Stop renting your time for survival. Start buying your freedom 1 week at a time. If you want to see the exact 4 ETFs you should combine with your Fidelity portfolio to create the ultimate zero-maintenance wealth machine, click on this video right here where we break down the only 4 holdings you will ever need. Subscribe to the channel, automate your portfolio, and I'll see you in the next video.